Hey guys!
Hey!
Welcome back to our channel. I'm Chip.
I'm Delaney.
And today we are coming with the palette of the month.
Last video!
Whoop, whoop.
It's been a long month.
Right?
July has been the longest of
really
months.
Has. So for palette of the month, I'm going with the Huda Beauty Obsession. This is the Mauve palette, because I know Delaney loves editing for Huda Beauty.
Top right hand corner.
Yes.
Doesn't have a name.
No, there are no names. I'm a fan of her originals over the new ones.
True. My palette of the month is going to be the Terra Moons Astrology palette. It's a collaboration with Amanda Organa, and she has her own following on Instagram, so go check her out. But on the inside, it's a slew of colors, and then you have some highlighting shades over here on the side, which are beautiful. If y'all haven't heard about Terra Moons, I will be doing her as a indie highlight soon, so
stay tuned.
Stay tuned.
Check out our indie highlights. We really get into depth about the company.
Yes.
Me.
They're a good time. Can't wait. So let's go ahead and get into this eye look.
I should prime my eyes first. My favorite.
Oh, same. I need a primer for Terra Moons, but I like to just have a nice wet base. Yeah. But I love this palette because it's just spacey vibes, man. I love the outside packaging. It's astrology, so if you're into that, you're really gonna get it.
You're gonna get it. So I'm going in with my Sigma E40 brush, and I'm dipping into this lovely deep burgundy shade here. And I love that they come with mirrors, so definitely a palette on the go vibe. So
Terra Moons gives you a nice little sheet that tells you everything that's on there. Okay, so first, color in the crease. I'm gonna use the shade Taurus, which is a nice pink, just your average. We're gonna put that in the crease. So the good thing about these mattes is you can really build them up, or you can just do very subtle. So this is a nice shade that you could just wear by itself. It's very calm pink, chilled out vibes. We're gonna take Gemini, which is a nice poppy yellow. So we're gonna use the Sephora 14 to put into there, and like I said, it is a metallic, so I want to use a more denser brush. They actually sell this in singles now, so if you want to go buy singles of them and not the whole palette, you can definitely do that.
I love when people do that.
Yes.
So nice.
So nice. And I don't care if it's afterwards. Just tell people you're going to sell them single afterwards.
See, I'm just taking the same shade and I'm just running it under my eye. I'm kind of doing a blowout look. I've seen these on Instagram, the edges are extended, and I've never done that, so I'm trying it now. First time ever. I'm gonna dip into Aries for the outer eye, which is the nice clay red shade. It's also a matte. Same brush. We're just gonna lightly apply that because it's very pigmented. Sephora 15 shadow brush, going in with this metallic shade. And we're just gonna apply that on our lid. And then on the lower lash line, we're gonna be using Scorpio, and that is a plum matte. It's actually very pretty. I've used this shade before, and I'm oof. Is beautiful. And I'm gonna be using a Morphe E36 to apply that. Okay, same brush, the Sephora 15, going in with this lighter metallic shade. Using this as an inner corner highlight. And going back in with Tarte Big Ego mascara, which I feel is my favorite mascara thus far. That's this year. It's been great. And then last shade to put into the look is going to be the Sun, which is one of the highlighter shades that has more of a yellow undertone to it. And we're going to pop that into the inner corner. And then for a lip, I'm dipping into the Bite Beauty, and this is a matte cream lip crayon, and it's in Glace. All right, we're going to go with a chilled liner for this. This is going to be the ColourPop and Get Paid, the cream gel liner. To build up for lashes, we're gonna use the Tarteist lash paint as always. Chip's a cheater and she doesn't have to do any top mascara because she's got eyelashes since she's in, so. Lashes today, I'm gonna be testing out the Lunar Angel lashes, and this is in the style Starburst. So look at this packaging, it's the most adorable. And I like how their logo is you can see it, but it's not really crazy. So I'm just gonna hold those up so you can see them really close. They're just a subtle lash, just nice and flowy and chill, And then lip is gonna be BELLEGANT Red Wine. I need to pick up some BELLEGANT lipsticks. So yeah, here is the look. Beautiful. That yellow is beautiful. Yeah. I like your everyday look. Everyday girl. Everyday girl. Yep.
I'm really feeling that hoop on you. I'm so glad that you switched the hoop.
It's fun. It's fun. But I know when I start teaching, I'm going to take it out. So I was like, I need to change up something now.
Ew. We're going to do some close-ups for you. Well, tell us if you like this look down below.
Yes.
Leave some, you know, questions, concerns, you know, if you are worried about our mental health or something, I don't know. Just kidding.
As we're going crazy.
Some requests, I don't know if you want to see us do a certain palette or talk about a certain brand or, you know, try something. Just let us know down in the comments below. Hit us up on our Instagram. It's all sugarandspice_makeup. We also have a Facebook page if you'd like to use Facebook versus Instagram. You know, they're owned by the same company, but
do you.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video today, and we'll see you guys on the next one.
Bye.